Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Harley, Larz. Thanks for tuning in. Hope your day's going great. You can see how sunshine it is out here. Beautiful. Rode up here on the bike. So we're at Happy's Hamburgers today. It's up on Shea and 72nd Place, about 2 miles west of the 101, up in Scottsdale. So you can see Happy's Hamburgers. Okay, so I'm friends with Dave, the owner, on Facebook, and decided to come up here and try it out. Buddy of mine, Brian, is here as well. Brian used to have a similar channel, Restaurant Reviews, in Chicago. So once he gets his channel going again, we're going to kind of collaborate and do some stuff together. Do a little Chicago, New York style restaurant reviews, give you a little different taste of how things are. You know, I mean, if we go to a pizza place, obviously if we go to Chicago pizza place, you know it's second best pizza in America. New York's always first, baby. Hey, so thanks for tuning in. Let's go inside because I'm starving and see how this is. We'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, see, here's a little quick inside of the place. Nice little diner feel to it.
The next breakfast I make, I'm going to try to
Cool
make
little vibe in here. Alright, you guys, so this is the burger I got. It's got bacon, American cheese, fried egg, cheeseburger. Fries, just like I like them. They came out good. This is a fortune cookie. I'm not sure what that's about. So my buddy Brian ordered onion rings and the chicken palm sliders. Looks pretty cool, right? We'll see how it is. We'll catch you in a little bit. Alright guys, so food's out. You can stir a little bit of it. I'm gonna bite in now. So first impression, the burger's cooked just like I asked. Medium rare. Fries are crispy just like I like them. Good flavor. Caramelized onions on top with the fried egg, the bacon. Gives a really nice flavor. I think I'm gonna enjoy this one. We'll catch you in a little bit. Hey guys, so there it is, halfway eaten. Maybe gross to some of you, but so fried egg, caramelized onions, bacon, cheese, and the burger. Good combination. To me, it's a little too much onions on it, or maybe I just put it fit into where they all were. But overall, I'm enjoying this. Fries are just like I like it. We're gonna try one of my buddy's onion rings. They look pretty good. Ooh, they smell good too.
There was a day?
Good flavor. Oh, so Brian said the chicken palm sliders are really good.
Soft, moist, flavorful.
Yeah, soft flavours, amazing, flavorful. Everybody likes that.
Sliders are small.
Yeah, yeah. They look a little small for a lunch meal, but the burger, it's a half-pound burger. I probably won't even eat all this. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Hey you guys, so these are the dipping sauces they have for the fries, onion rings, whatever you want to dip. Some of them are homemade here.
Yep.
And then, you know, obviously ranch, honey, mustard.
The Happy Chipotle sauce is made in-house. The jalapeno kicker, jalapeno ketchup, and the horsey ketchup. Horseradish, Cajun ketchup.
All made here,
Yeah.
in-house.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
You like it?
All right, you guys, so I'm trying the cheesecake.
Yeah.
This homemade in-house. You can smell the cream cheese. So if you look close, you can see the 3 layers. Looks like a cream cheese layer on top.
It's a sour cream on top, kind of New York style.
Sour cream.
Yep.
So the voice you hear in the back, that's Dave, the owner.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Hey. So let's see how
Yeah,
this.
give it a shot.
See if this doesn't
It's
suck.
a graham cracker crust, and it's got
Ooh,
obviously
graham cracker smells good. It
cream
smells fresh.
cheese in the middle with. Yeah, it's pretty basic. It's a basic New York style cheesecake. I do a chocolate one too.
With sour cream on top, a different flavor.
Yeah, the crust is pretty crunchy.
Wow, the crust is, holy shit, it's thick.
You want me to get you a knife?
No, no, no. Oh, look how thick that crust is.
Yeah.
A little different flavor, but I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll catch you in a little bit. Hey guys, so Dave the owner came in after we already just finished eating, and he said, man, you gotta try a signature burger. So this is it. So it's 2 burgers, steamed bun,
2 small patties. Yeah.
2 small patties, cheese, and what they do is they put the onions on the grill to caramelize them, and then they smash the burger on top of it, so it actually bakes right in there. So Brian and I are going to cut this in half and try a little piece and see how it is. This could be tough though. I'm packed full. My belly's packed full, but we'll see how it is.
It's a cool stand.
All right, guys. So here's the cut open burger. Oh, it smells good.
It's pretty good. It's kind of the way you do the onions in the burger. I think that's how like Hassel does theirs.
Right.
Except for
Yeah, kinda.
except
So
for
this is-
a lot more juicy.
They have chopped onions. They
Yeah.
chop them.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is for a small little burger. You know, a lot of times little burgers will dry out. This is still really moist.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Really moist. Really good. Next time I come, I'll order this.
Yeah.
Catch you a little bit. All right, guys. So these are the specials for today, and Monday through Friday they do a special, a different burger every day, every Monday through Friday, $9.99. So come on in and check it out. Hey, what's up, everybody? So it's Larz again. I'm with Dave, the owner of Happy Hamburgers, and if you could see behind me, so there's an outside eating area right here, which is really nice. It's all covered, nice and cool. You're out of the sun, but there's a nice little breeze. And further down there, like where that guy is sitting, there's the restrooms are out there. It's an outside restroom that's shared with the next building over. But I went in the men's room and it was nice and clean. It's clean,
Actually,
no
it's
smell.
not shared.
Oh, it's not shared.
No,
that's yours.
that's all ours. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep. There's a men and a woman's.
Oh, okay. So that's all theirs, and
all ours.
nice and clean.
Yep.
So Dave, tell us a little bit about the place.
What's up, guys? I am the owner of Happy's Hamburgers. We're at southeast corner of Scottsdale and Shea. We're right next to Ernie's, which is a staple here in Scottsdale. We're near Dirty Dog Saloon, right across from NYPD Pizza. I've took this place over about 4 or 5 months ago. It's been here about a year. Look us up on Google and Yelp. We get 5-star reviews. People love us. Our signature burgers a double or a triple, and they start at $4.95 for the double hamburger. But we basically slice the onions real thin. We grill them. We basically press the meatball down into it. We make a burger patty out of it, and then we brown them up nice. We get them doubled or tripled up, and we steam the bun. So it's got that nice. And if you don't like onions, you don't have to have onions on it. Then we have our other burgers. We have like our half pounders are bigger.
That's what I had.
Yeah, he had an ultimate burger, which has a bunch of stuff on it: mushrooms, bacon, egg.
No mushrooms in me.
No, he had no mushrooms on his. But yeah, come check out our signatures first. I would definitely say that.
Yeah.
I do a homemade marinara sauce, so I do have a pizza burger that's really, really tasty. You know, I incorporate that into some chicken parmesan sandwiches, sliders. We're good with sliders too. And we've got some specialty chicken sandwiches that are real nice. A summertime slaw, piled high with homemade coleslaw. I make a homemade cheesecake that's really nice. You had a
That was
piece.
pretty good, yeah.
I do a chocolate and a New York style with the sour cream on top.
Yeah.
But
Excellent.
yeah, we just love it here. It's
Thanks.
fun to be out here. And yeah, we got a big event happening February 9th. There's a big car show. It's going to be in the parking lot here.
Great.
It's a Sunday, so we're gearing up for that. We're open Monday through Thursdays from 10 to 8. Now we're opening Friday and Saturday, still at 10, but we're staying open till midnight. And Sunday we're open now, and it's going good on Sundays. And our new hours are 9 to 7 on Sundays.
Excellent.
So we're staying
So
open longer for you
come
guys.
down for breakfast too.
Yep, we got breakfast. Our
Dave?
breakfast burrito is awesome.
Good meeting you.
All right, Larz.
All right.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks, man.
You got it.
All right, guys. So just finished up at Happy's Hamburgers. Had to pick this only shady spot around. It's 1 o'clock or so in the afternoon, It's pretty bright out here. So overall, I would give this a solid 7 to 8. The place was clean, the food was good. Kelly was our server. She was the only server in there. She, at first it looked like she was a little nervous, but she handled everything perfectly. That's the kind of service you want, that I want, at any kind of restaurant I go to. Very attentive. You need another drink, you need anything, blah, blah, blah. Just on the ball. Good service. You saw the interview with Dave. Super nice guy. He's been in it 4 months. Come and check it out. Place was clean. The vibe was cool. It had the old 50s diner kind of look to it. Older 50s music going. Clean place. The food was good. Service was excellent. I don't think you're going to go wrong here. So, I try to pay, but they wouldn't give me a bill. So we left Kelly a nice tip. I don't normally like to do that when I'm doing reviews, but they just wouldn't give it to me. So it is what it is. So I would say my bill probably would have been, with the cheesecake, probably close to around 10 to 15 bucks. I used to try to drink water, try to stay a little healthier than drinking soda, but real good. I highly recommend it. So definitely come check it out. And they got, stuff to go, so you can park right out in front to go, and you can see. So right back there, right there, that's Shea. So, it's convenient. Like I said, it's about 2 miles off the 101. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and then look for my next review. Thanks for tuning in. It's Harley, Larz. We'll see you next time.